Introducing Peak Original Equipment Technology, OET, antifreeze, and coolant. Designed to eliminate the guesswork when choosing coolant by matching the specific technology and color requirements of Asian, European, and North American vehicles. Over the past 20 years, the U.S. vehicle market has become more complex as the number of Asian and European vehicles in the market has increased. This has led to increased coolant technology and color complexity because vehicle manufacturers have different engine corrosion protection requirements, increasing the number of coolant colors used to identify them. This has led to a fragmented antifreeze and coolant market, with no single product line able to cover all requirements until now, with the launch of Peak's OET antifreeze and coolant. Peak's OET line of coolants covers technology and color requirements for Asian, European, and North American vehicles, simplifying coolant selection for the consumer. Let's take a look at the full line. Peak OET European vehicles antifreeze and coolants are specifically formulated with low or no silicate and no phosphates or nitrates, matching European OE technology and color requirements. This range features European blue, pink, and violet coolants to provide complete coverage across Audi, Mercedes, BMW, Volkswagen, Jaguar, Porsche, Land Rover, Saab, Volvo, and Fiat Alfa Romeo. The Peak OET Asian vehicles antifreeze and coolants are phosphate-based organic acid technology coolants with silicate, nitrates, or amines matching Asian OE technology and color requirements. This range features Asian red, pink, blue, and green to provide complete coverage across Honda Acura, Toyota, Lexus, Scion, Nissan, Infiniti, Mazda, Hyundai Kia, Mitsubishi, Subaru, and Suzuki. The Peak OET North American vehicles antifreeze and coolants are specifically engineered with a range of formulations with or without silicate, borate, phosphate, or nitrates to match all North American OE technology and color requirements. This range features North American green, gold, and orange to provide complete coverage across Ford, GM, and Chrysler. Peak OET also features an easy-to-read label with vehicle list and package coloring system that makes it easy to find the right coolant for your vehicle. In addition, Peak provides vehicle application charts at the shelf and online at peakauto.com, making it easy to find the right coolant for your vehicle. They provide guaranteed protection for up to 2 years or 50,000 miles for North American green and 5 years or 150,000 miles for all other products when a complete flush and fill is performed. Peak Original Equipment Technology Antifreeze and Coolant is available in both full-strength and 50/50 pre-diluted versions for topping off and full-strength for topping off and flush and fills. Peak Original Equipment Technology Antifreeze and Coolant, a perfect match for every vehicle.